In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to install and upgrade the Razer application. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in Razer Synapse, download and search for it. Then navigate to this one website, Razer Synapse 4. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now here you're gonna find two options, download for Windows and Mac. Select the option download for Windows. Once the file has been downloaded, now you'll need to install this exe file. Click on it. Installation process will start. Wait for installation to finish, and once it's complete, launch it to open application. Keep in mind that you will need to sign in with the Razer account before you can fully access Synapse. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. After logging in, you will be able to explore the Synapse dashboard. However, if you don't have a Razer device connected, many device-specific settings won't be available. So that's it. This way you can easily install and upgrade Razer Synapse application. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.